So hi everyone and welcome back. We have got a crafty video for you today and it is for a name wall display, art thing, whatever you want to call it. So it's my friend's daughter Kyla. She wants this on her bedroom wall. So I've already gone ahead and I've ordered these cardboard letters. They are actually from eBay. I couldn't find the ones I wanted in local shops, so I've gone ahead and ordered these. I think these were around about £2 each from eBay. So yeah, she wants them opened and filled with flowers, preferably white flowers. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I don't have many white flowers. I've only got these small roses here. So I'm going to go shopping now, and I know you want to join me on that, so let's go. Okay, it's one of my favourite shops in the world. I'm here super early. I usually get here before the car park fills up. But yeah, so let's go and see what they got. Okay, I am literally the first customer here today. Super proud. Go me. Problem is with this shop, I find it very hard to leave. Very, very hard to get out. Oh, hello camera. Oh, right, there was something I saw online that I really want for my coffee table. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see it right here, right now. But anyway, look, let's have a look at the flowers. So here we are in the flowers. Okay, she wants white. So let's go to the white. Ooh. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay. Oh, they're pretty. White peonies. Maybe white peonies. White roses. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, absolutely love these. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay. So these are the ones I've already got at home. I'm going to grab a couple of bags of these. They are £1.29. And what, 2 for 6? You get 6 for £1.29. I guess that's okay, right? I mean, you know, not really sure. But yay, let's put those in. So I've got 3 bags. 3 bags of those so far. Might just get myself a little something. Oh. So they've also got these towers of flowers. Oh, towers of flowers. But yeah, these are way more expensive. So I think for a craft project for a bedroom wall, I'm gonna stick to the smaller ones. But they are pretty. Oh my goodness me. Like, I swear I think I'm Beyonce or something because I want the whole place to myself. But you know, they're open to the public and more people have started to come in. So I'm gonna just pay for my stuff and head home to get making this. Oh, see, I want it all. That's the problem. I want it all. I'm at my friend's house, so we've all got the giggles a little bit. Today's video is going to, what day is it? Friday the 22nd of June 2018, just so you know. It's pretty much live. Today's video is going to be a teenager, can I call you a teenager? Yeah. Teenage room DIY, and it's for my best friend's daughter Kyla. So all you'll need for this project is, well, are your letters. So we got these on eBay. They're about £2 each. You'll need your glue gun. I will film you, Eric. You'll need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and whatever spray you want. I bought a selection so Kyla can choose, and I bought these flowers from the range. As you would have seen in the previous video, I filmed shopping at the range. Okay. I know. I'm professional now. And you'll need your Stanley knives to cut your letters out, and you will need your cutting mat. Okay, and that is pretty much everything you'll need. Quick glimpse of Kyla. There she is! Ah! Okay, so Kyla's going to do a lot of this work. I'm going to put her to work, and yeah, join us, and hopefully it will be fun. Okay. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, everyone wants to be in the video. The first thing we're going to do is going to cut the tops off of the letters, and I've given Kyla a Stanley knife. Go, go, go. Oh, good, okay. Once it's in, that's it. Yeah? Yeah, brilliant.
I was going to actually cut the sides.
You're alright. It's fine, it's fine. Go all the way around the edge. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but I don't cut.
Perfect. Perfect. You see that? Easy peasy. Teenager can do this, guys. So Kyla has done an amazing job cutting the tops off. There were paper cardboard bits inside which we just ripped out. So now we are going out into the garden and we're going to spray paint them. Kyla, what colour?
I think I'm gonna go for this one.
Rose gold?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Right, for outside, you need to do this job outside, guys. You'll need a big plastic sheet or whatever you're going to use. We're going to use the same plastic shower curtain that I use for everything. We're going to go outside, follow the instructions, and yeah, wear a mask if you need to, and try not to do it when it's too windy. Let's go. Thank you. I got my girl Sarah working for me. Thank you, Sarah. We're going to put a big sheet down on the grass, and Kyla is going to spray paint for the first time. So you lay your letters out in the middle of it, that's it. Shake the can real good. And then you're going to hold it around about 15 to 20 centimetres away. Yeah, I know. Around a bit closer.
That did it.
Yeah. You can, yeah, do the inside and the sides. Just, yeah, give it a really good coat. Okay, that is all 4 letters sprayed very heavily. And now we are going to wait for those to dry, which will be about 10 minutes. Then we're going to get cracking with the roses, and that is the job done. So you need your hot glue gun and your roses for the next part of the project. Okay, next step of the project is to rip all of the rose heads off of the sticks. So just rip, rip, rip. You don't, once you pull one, you'll see how easy they come off. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah, do them all. All of the packs. Okay, let's give you a hand. Okay, that is the job done. All the roses have been pulled off of the stems. You need to decide now if you want the green leaves to stay on or do you want them gone. If you want them gone and you don't want any green to show, just have to peel it off. What do you reckon?
I don't think you'll even see them.
No? Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll leave it on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 more minutes for the paint to dry and then we will get sticking them in and that's it. Oh, I'm so excited! They are dry and they are looking gorgeous, all sparkly. And now we are going to put the flowers in using the hot glue gun, which has been turned on. And Kaylin wants to say hello.
Hi.
You're going to help us make pretty rose things? Yeah? Okay. Maybe Kyla will let you maybe glue 1 or 2 in, yeah? We'll do a project for your room soon, yeah? Yeah? Okay, cool. Right. We're going to plug it back here.
Hi guys.
Okay. So the first step is to get your hot glue gun and put a dab of glue on the back of the rose, like so. Squeeze it on, squeeze it on, squeeze it on, and then place it straight in to your letters. You need to push it down so it's exactly where you want it to be. And then you carry on. Yeah? Go for it, Kyla.
Okay, I'm good for it.
Kaylin, we need more flowers. Can you pull some off, please? Thank you. Undo them all and pull them off, yeah?
Yeah.
DIY with Kai.
Ooh, DIY with Kai. We like that. What's your friend's name?
Maria.
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 Hi, Maria.
Hi.
Wow, it's like a 3-way conversation here with all of the
Hi, Maria.
smart technology. Right, Kaylin's pulling more flowers off. Kyla is still gluing. Let's get back to it. Last one. done. Yay! It's finished. I absolutely love it, Kyla. Good job, you did it. Oh, look how sparkly it is. It's so... Do you like it?
Yeah.
Promise?
It's really pretty.
Did you enjoy making it?
Yeah.
Was it easy?
It was actually easy.
Right, thank you. It was easy. Did you all hear that? Easy peasy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. For teenagers, hello. We're going to get it up on your wall and we're going to see what it looks like. And hopefully we'll get an end shot. Yay!
Oh, yeah, I can turn it back.
It looks gorgeous. We've got extra light in here. People, look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's going to look so gorgeous. And you're going to have a mirror here, are you? Yeah. What do you think, guys? Do you love it? I love it. Absolutely love it. And look at the chandelier this girl's got. I never had chandeliers like this one. Oh, love it. Job well done, I say. Yeah? Cool. Let's go. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope you see how easy these things are to do. And please, please, please get your hot glue guns out. Start making stuff, people. Bye.